This is Abdal.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Sorry.
Where did you come from?
Hola. I love those shoes.
I have a boyfriend now. What? You want my number? Man?
How was the 3 days?
3 days, man. That's mate.
Man, I'm sick of hanging out with this guy. Like,
I'm done with it, man. My name's Abdal Riaz. I'm 23 years old. I'm a robot engineer. I think it's just my mind just freezes and I just have no idea what to say. More so the idea that people don't want to speak to you when in reality that's not the case. So trying to take that fear out of my mind is the most important thing, I think.
Any last word before we start?
Let's do it, mate. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. I thought you were quite cute. I wanted to come say hi.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna rush somewhere.
Sorry?
I'm gonna rush.
Oh no, that's not a problem. Here, go ahead. There's nothing in you.
Hello?
Thank you, I appreciate it. I like that hair of yours.
Thank you.
By the way, if you're rushing now, well, how about if I get your number? We can catch up the other time.
I'm not really.
Fair enough, that's not a problem. I'm nice to just take your compliment, yeah?
Thank you. Where did you come from? Sorry.
No, I was walking that way.
Oh.
I don't think you saw me. I was just walking. I was like, oh.
Fair enough. I
Yeah.
can give you my Instagram if you want.
Yeah, sure. Coming for shopping?
Yeah. Just got my hair done. So.
Really? It looks lovely.
Thank you so much. That's me.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
I'll send you a message, yeah?
Oh, not bad at all, bro. One thing you said that I thought was a bit odd.
Excuse me?
No. At the end, you said like thank you.
I didn't realize I said that, to be honest with you.
But
Oh.
dude, that was good, bro.
Thank you, man.
That was nice.
Pretty sweet stuff right there.
Pretty sweet, yeah.
You know what? It was easier than I thought. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, I thought you were quite cute. Wanted to come say hi.
Oh, that's really nice of you. I have a boyfriend now. Thank you.
Take it as a compliment, yeah? Sorry, excuse me. I thought you were quite cute. Wanted to come say hi.
Thanks. Hi.
What's your name?
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
That's alright. No, take it as a compliment. Have a nice day. Sorry, excuse me. I thought you were quite cute. I wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thank you. I've got a boyfriend. So.
Oh yeah, just take it as a compliment. Oh yeah, sorry, excuse me. Oh bloody hell. Oh, sorry, I thought you were quite cute. Wanted to come say hi.
What?
I thought you were quite cute. Wanted to come say hi.
Hi.
Fine. Easier than I thought.
It sounded like you were delivering her a message. Like you have like a script almost that like kicks in, right?
Yeah.
And so I want you to try to say different things so that you can try to be more present.
Oh yeah, sorry. I thought you were quite cute. Wanted to come say hi.
Oh, hello.
What's the day? How's the day going though?
It's fine, thank you. I'm just on my lunch
How'd
break
it go?
from work.
Long day at work?
Well, it's going to be a 12-hour shift, so yeah, I've got an hour break now. So.
Bloody hell, man.
Well, it's very sweet of you to say hello.
Yeah, I was just gonna walk in the bar. I was gonna go meet a mate.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? Let me just come say hi. Maybe grab your number.
Oh, that's very sweet of you. I am afraid I am taken.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's alright. Honestly, it's good having a chat.
Yeah,
But-
same. I admire the
No, but-
courage. Yes.
Have a nice day though.
Have a nice day. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Take care.
Oh.
Yeah.
The only thing is, I think I was getting to the point where I was like running out of things to say. Hiya, sorry. I thought you were quite cute. Wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
It's alright. No worries about it. Have a nice day though, yeah.
You too.
It makes you sound like you're going to deliver a message. The fact that you're having trouble to try something else shows that this is a bit like kind of hardwired, you know, like you.
Yeah, it's hardwired.
You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
of course. Hey, excuse me. You're cute. Wanted to come say hi.
Huh?
You're cute. How are you?
Thank you. I'm in a rush, sorry.
Alright. Have a nice day.
When you just like repeat the same line all the time, then you know sometimes I wonder like, are you actually talking to this person or are you just sort of like going off a script and you're actually not even here? Okay, so today I'm with Abdal again for day 2.
Let's do it. Excuse me. I thought you were very beautiful. I wanted to come and introduce myself.
Thanks. I need to go to work.
If you're rushed, we can I can exchange numbers. You have a nice day. Obviously, because of the nerves, I just said the same thing again.
You're not going up there to tell her, oh, you're very beautiful, I want to meet you. That's not, you're going there to meet her.
Hiya. So sorry, I did not mean to scare you.
Alright.
You're very beautiful. I wanted to introduce myself.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad. How's the day going? What's you been up to?
Yeah, it's good. I'm just on my work.
It's alright, not a problem. I mean, like, if you want,
so much.
I would love to meet up another time if you would.
I'm actually in a relationship.
It's alright. You have a lovely day. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry. I thought you were very beautiful. I wanted to come and introduce myself.
Thank you. I have a boyfriend.
Oh, you do? It's alright. No problem. You have a good day. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're too much in the line and not enough in the present. And I felt that in the first one, when you scared her, that kind of grounded you and her in the present moment.
Hiya, sorry. You're very beautiful. I want to come and introduce myself.
I don't understand.
Oh, Spanish?
Spanish,
Ah,
Venezuelan, but
Espanol. Yeah. You are very cute. I wanted to come and say hello.
thank you.
Hola.
Hola.
Yeah. Is it new to the London?
Yeah, my first time
Oh, you're checking out the area,
there. Yeah,
market.
it's beautiful.
How long have you been here for?
This is my second day.
Second
Yeah,
holiday?
yeah.
You're
You
gonna go-
live here.
Yeah, I live here. So if you want to have help sometimes touring around, you can tell me.
Yeah, but I have to go.
Yeah, and that's not a problem. You know, I'll let you go, but
ich bin
I would love to meet up
Another
another time, another day.
Yeah, another time. Sorry.
Could I get your?
Thank you so much, but I have to go. Yeah.
All right. You have a lovely
I
day.
will observe that the two interactions that went the best is this one and the one where you scared the girl. And so in both cases, the fact that you scared the girl and the fact that this girl didn't speak English forced you to be present. Are you just going through the motion, or are you actually here and present?
Yeah, sorry. Oh, you're very beautiful. Want to come say hi? What's the name? How's the day been going?
It's good. Yeah, it's alright.
Are you doing around the shopping around?
No, I'm just
What do you do anyway?
I study.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What do you study?
Study fashion design.
Well, fashion design.
Yeah.
I can see by the fashion you got wearing right now.
Thank you. I have a boyfriend, so
Oh, that's not a problem. Yeah, you have a lovely day though, yeah?
thanks.
In an effort to try to for you to be more present and not just like go through the motion. If you see something specific that you like on the girl, whether it's her haircut, her style, her bag, her lipstick, I don't know, just say it. Okay? You know, sometimes like you hit those plateaus, but you have to understand that the problem is in the vibe.
What's really important is that you're keeping the smile, and keeping the good attitude.
Hiya. Sorry. I thought you were very beautiful. I wanted to come and say hi.
Thank you.
What's the name? I'm Abdel.
Nice to meet you.
How's the day going?
That's alright.
Not too bad. Going to grab some drinks, milkshakes.
Right now, I'm running off to uni right now, so
Oh yeah.
yeah, I've got.
Well, how about we meet up another time then?
Yeah, mate. Thank you, though.
Have a lovely day.
The only commonality between all of those interactions is you. You know what I mean?
Hiya. So you're very beautiful. I want to come say hi. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely day.
Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. At least
Do it. I swear to God,
you have
yeah.
the smile. At least you have the smile. It's like as if like today didn't happen. Like I feel like at the exact same point as.
I feel a bit worse, mate.
Okay, so today for the first time in Social Animal, I'm seeing Abdel basically on the third time back to back. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, well, Abdel is a lost cause. Just why don't you just drop him, Ruben? But no one is a lost cause, and we're not leaving anyone behind. So let's go.
Let's roll, man. Let's go. Hiya.
Hello.
You're looking wonderful. I wanted to come say hello.
Oh, no, thank you. I'm just waiting to start work.
Oh yeah, you know I love those shoes. Where do you get them from?
Foot Locker.
Sorry?
Foot Locker.
How much for?
I think they were like 90.
Yeah, because I think I'm gonna get some for my sister.
Yeah.
You got the good style, man. You know what I mean? Oh, that tattoo.
Yes. Got a little olive branch leaf and this means warrior.
Warrior, I can see it. The look of you, mate. Have you seen yourself?
No, I haven't. But yeah, so it's my last day of work here actually today.
Really?
Yes, I'm
What's
moving
going
out
on?
of London. Life, I'm doing a professional cookery course. So I'm going to become a chef hopefully, so let me know.
Let's go. Let's go.
I want to have my own restaurant in the future, so I've got to kind of learn.
Let's go.
everything.
I like it. Wow.
Never give up on your dreams, you know.
Right, yeah. 100%. Well, listen, I meet my friends anyway on the station, so but I saw you, so I was like, you know what, let me just come and chat to her quickly. But I would love to catch up another time when you come back on.
Oh,
You
do
know?
you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just take your Instagram.
Yeah.
If you come back
Maybe I'll become
regularly,
a chef.
yeah, you become a chef. You start cooking your culinary food for me. I want to taste some of that.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? I'll send you a message, yeah?
Yeah, I've got to go into work now.
Alright, you have a lovely last day, yeah?
Abdul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Thank you.
Finally, finally, huh? Yeah.
I know.
Oh my God, we were losing hope, honestly.
He was getting the candles out
Man,
just to make sure.
I burnt incense yesterday. I didn't know what to do, honestly.
I'm not gassing myself up, you know, like I'm
Yeah.
just keeping it the levels low, but I'm happy. I'm happy that it went well after 30 odd, no,
Yeah,
20,
exactly.
24, 5
Slow birth.
slow birth. I'm always a late bloomer, so I kind of expected this, but here we go, here we are. Hello.
Hi.
You look wonderful. How are you? How's the day going? I just thought you were very beautiful.
Thank you so much. You have an accent.
What do you think it is?
Birmingham?
Everybody says that, you know. To be fair, my family is from the north, so I've lived in London for a while. What about you? If I had to guess, you would have been someone from Greece.
No.
Am I close though?
No.
Boom,
What's your
back.
name?
Abdel.
What's my name?
That's a nice name, though.
Thank you.
Bro, I need to meet my mate, but I would love to catch up another time.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. What, you want my number? My Snapchat?
You prefer? Which one do you want to give me?
I can give you a Snapchat. I don't really give my number. But
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I would love to catch up another time, but take care.
Damn.
Today's
The rebirth. Abdal the rebirth.
rebirth.
Return of the Jedi.
Return of the bloody Jedi. It's about bloody time, isn't it? Jeez Louise. Yeah, man, it's wonderful.
Yeah, just one feedback. At the end, you were like, oh, the number, Snapchat, what do you want? Don't worry about what other people want. What do you want? If you want to
I didn't mind.
It's not about I don't mind. Ask yourself, in the best case scenario, if I had the magic wand, what would I want? And I think that speaks also to a broader thing. You know, like George Harrison's song, he says, if you don't know where you're going, any roads will take you there. So think about what you want. Don't say, oh, I don't mind.
Okay. Hiya. Sorry. I was like, you look stunning. I was like, wow, look at all these tattoos.
Thanks.
When did you get them all?
Just all over the place.
Sorry?
Just all over the place.
All over the place. My God. I can see you've done your selection. It's amazing.
Thank you.
How much was it altogether, do you think?
I couldn't tell you.
Really? No, because I was like, I might want to get some tattoos. Go mad. When did you get your first tattoos?
Maybe like 8.
18, wow. Amazing. What do you think is your best one over here?
I don't know. I don't have a favourite.
No favorite? It's alright, don't worry about it. Hi, you have a lovely day, yeah? Maybe I came in a little bit too enthusiastic. I don't know, and then she was also a little bit.
I feel like you kind of like zoomed in on the tattoos.
On the tattoos,
Like,
yeah.
we were just talking about the tattoos. Like, you know, like, okay, the tattoo, but then like, oh, how are you doing? What's your plan for the day? What's going on? But you were just like, how many tattoos? How long did it take? Which kind of ink did you use? It's like, oh my God,
hey.
this is not a tattoo chat.
My third time was a charm, and the process of persevering was what I think led us to this point.
Yeah.
And you know, you can see a smile on his face, and you know,
On your face too.
my face, I'm gleaming, mate. Always keep trying, you know, like that's one thing. Like I was on a breaking point yesterday. I think it's pretty much, he was on a breaking point, forget me.
Honestly, I was depressed.
He was necessarily both on the breaking point. I think Ruben was questioning his life, and I was questioning.
I was about to close down this channel, honestly.
I mean, you saw me, man. This whole thing has been like just a disaster. You know, in the beginning. I mean, initially it was great. You know, I was a godsend. But then after that, it was like just one after the other, just disaster after disaster. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, literally that. It was like freaking Tommy Gun games. And I was like, man, this is just like maybe not in for me. And then, but the perseverance, mate, and the what do they say? Fortune favors the brave. You know what I mean? So if you want something, go get it.